The reason that this person needed to ask this question is honestly, I think, because they bought the wrong Salesforce product in the first place. A lot of us in the recruiting world tend to go out and try and find that all-in-one solution. That thing that can do everything from front office all the way through back office and everything on this single system. The problem is that requires a lot of give and take. We have to give up the ability of using any kind of system that we want, but we get a single system. We have to give up being able to integrate to multiple different things as our business may change, but we are able to have one system. We give up being able to take advantage of the best in breed technology. Let's say if our search and match provider comes out of the woodwork and they've got this crazy new AI matching technology that you can't take advantage of because you're on a singular platform. So what I would suggest to this person is take a look at how you're able to assemble your tech stack. There are 4 different types of Salesforce apps out there, just at the very, very basic level. You have the all-in-one apps that are on the AppExchange that sell you a Salesforce license and they add features. You have apps that are just feature apps, which give you the features that you need inside a Salesforce environment that you've procured from Salesforce. Those types of applications, the feature add-on applications, are exactly what you're alluding to that might be better than your all-in-one solution that you currently own today or you're looking at owning. I would say the all-in-one solutions are kind of the legacy way to do things. With the pace and the change that is like just absolutely apparent in our industry, I'd really steer people towards a feature set license. So any kind of back office system that you want to integrate, you still have the ability to do that. Any kind of automations that you need to call out to different systems, you still have the ability to do that. You're not hamstrung in any way by just what comes out of the box for that all-in-one solution.